What about the cow?
It was a cow before it was slaughtered. God damn. Take the picture.
You want to take the picture?
Sure.
All right. Hold on.
Why did it have to be killed though?
I'm sure someone ate the meat.
Was it in the name of a rug?
Who knows?
It's not even that soft.
Well, it's pretty coarse.
Only in one direction is it soft.
With the grain?
Yeah. You already took the picture, right?
Yep.
Okay, good. The ass is always the softest on the black. God damn it. Your video. I know it. I know you're videoing this shit. God.